For eons, it has graced our night skies, a luminous river of stars, a celestial symphony of light and shadow. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, is more than just a beautiful spectacle. It's a living, breathing entity with a captivating past, a dynamic present, and a future that is as awe-inspiring as it is uncertain. Imagine a time, almost 13.8 billion years ago, when the universe was in its infancy. In the vast expanse of space, subtle ripples in the fabric of space-time, remnants of the Big Bang, created regions of slightly higher density. These were the seeds of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. This tiny overdensity, a mere fluctuation in the primordial soup of the early universe, was the kernel from which our grand galactic island would grow. Driven by the relentless force of gravity, these overdense regions began to coalesce, drawing in vast clouds of gas and dust. Within these swirling clouds, the first stars ignited, their fiery birth marking the dawn of a new era. These population-free stars, massive and short-lived, forged the first heavy elements in their cores, scattering them across the nascent galaxy in spectacular supernova explosions. These explosions seeded the Milky Way with the building blocks for future generations of stars and planets. These ancient stars, some of the oldest in the universe, still linger in the Milky Way's halo, a spherical shroud surrounding the galaxy's luminous disk. They are like living fossils, their light carrying whispers from the distant past. As the Milky Way matured, it continued to grow by devouring smaller galaxies, a process known as galactic cannibalism. These cosmic mergers left their mark on the Milky Way, shaping its structure and enriching its stellar population. One such encounter, believed to have occurred billions of years ago, may have given birth to the Milky Way's distinctive spiral arms. The ongoing disruption of the Sagittarius dwarf spheroidal galaxy, a smaller galaxy currently being torn apart by the Milky Way's gravity, is a prime example of this ongoing galactic cannibalism. Today, the Milky Way is a bustling metropolis of stars, gas, and dust, spanning over 100,000 light-years. It is a barred spiral galaxy, characterized by a central bar-shaped structure from which spiral arms emanate. Our solar system resides in one of these arms, about two-thirds of the way out from the galactic center, approximately 27,000 light-years away. This location, in the Orion Arm, or local spur, provides us with a relatively clear view of the galactic center. At the heart of the Milky Way lies a supermassive black hole, a gravitational behemoth with a mass equivalent to 4 million suns. This enigmatic object, known as Sagittarius A*, exerts a powerful influence on the surrounding stars and gas, shaping the dynamics of the galactic center. The intense gravitational forces near Sagittarius A* warp space-time and accelerate particles to incredible speeds, producing powerful X-ray and radio emissions. The Milky Way is not a static entity, it is constantly evolving. Stars are born and die, gas clouds coalesce and disperse, and the galaxy continues to interact with its neighbors. One such neighbor is the Large Magellanic Cloud, a dwarf galaxy currently orbiting the Milky Way. The interplay between these galaxies influences the Milky Way's structure and star formation rate. The galaxy's spiral arms, thought to be formed by density waves, waves of compression moving through the galactic disk, are regions of active star formation, where gas clouds collapse under their own gravity to give birth to new stars. The Milky Way also possesses a powerful magnetic field, generated by the motion of its stars and gas, which plays a crucial role in star formation and the transport of cosmic rays. Surrounding the visible galaxy is a vast halo of dark matter, a mysterious substance that interacts gravitationally but not with light. This dark matter halo makes up about 90% of the Milky Way's mass, providing the gravitational scaffolding that holds the galaxy together. What does the future hold for our Milky Way? In about 4.5 billion years, a cataclysmic event will reshape the galaxy forever, a head-on collision with our largest neighbor, the Andromeda galaxy. This cosmic collision, though inevitable, is not something to fear. The vast distances between stars within each galaxy mean that direct stellar collisions will be rare. Instead, the gravitational forces between the two galaxies will wreak havoc on their structures, distorting their shapes and triggering bursts of star formation. The immense tidal forces will stretch and warp both galaxies, creating spectacular streams of stars and gas that extend far into intergalactic space. Over millions of years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will merge to form a single, giant elliptical galaxy, sometimes referred to as Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. Our solar system, along with all the other stars in the two galaxies, will be rearranged into new orbits within this merged galaxy. While the precise fate of our solar system is uncertain, it is unlikely to be directly involved in a stellar collision. The distant future of the Milky Way is intertwined with the fate of the universe itself. As the universe continues to expand, the Milky Way and its fellow galaxies in the local group will become increasingly isolated. Eventually, the light from all other galaxies will be red-shifted beyond the visible spectrum, leaving the Milky Way, or rather, Milkomeda, as an island universe in an endless cosmic ocean. The Milky Way, our cosmic home, is a testament to the grandeur and dynamism of the universe. Its past is a story of cosmic evolution, from a tiny density fluctuation in the early universe to a mature spiral galaxy. Its present is a vibrant tapestry of stars, gas, dust, and a supermassive black hole, constantly evolving and interacting with its surroundings. And its future is a cosmic dance of gravity and destiny, a grand merger with Andromeda that will reshape the galaxy forever. As we gaze upon its luminous glow, we are reminded of our place in the vast cosmic expanse, a small but integral part of this magnificent galactic island.